Devon Choksey Research has maintained a buy rating on ICICI Bank, citing its strong operational performance, healthy loan growth, and robust asset quality. The firm expects sustained profitability and steady compounding potential over the long term. According to them, they have advised investors to buy ICICI Bank share at 1390 for the target of 1593. Since the document contains 7 pages, I'd like to provide you with a brief note explaining the reason behind the target. Financial highlights: Q2 FY26 grew 7.4% year-on-year to 215,295 rupees million, driven by steady loan growth and an improved funding mix. Declined 1.9% quarter-on-quarter, primarily due to margin compression as funding costs rose marginally. Loan book and advances. Net domestic advances, plus 10.6% year-on-year, plus 3.3% quarter-on-quarter. Retail loans, plus 6.6% year-on-year, plus 2.6% quarter-on-quarter, contributes 52.1% of total loan portfolio. Business banking, strong growth of 24.8% year-on-year and 6.5% quarter-on-quarter. Rural portfolio, slight year-on-year decline, minus 1.3%, but sequential growth, plus 0.8% quarter-on-quarter. Right arrow overall, ICICI Bank continues to show healthy credit growth across retail and SME segments. Receipt asset quality. Gross NPA, 2.36%, down pointing arrow 12 bits per second year-on-year, down pointing arrow 3 bits per second quarter-on-quarter. Net NPA, 0.50%, down pointing arrow 2 bits per second quarter-on-quarter. Provision coverage ratio, PCR, strong at 75.6%. Right arrow. The bank maintains excellent credit discipline, ensuring low delinquency and high provisioning comfort. Briefcase operating metrics. Operating expenses, plus 12.4% year-on-year and plus 3.6% quarter-on-quarter, driven by higher business activity and festive marketing. Employee costs, plus 5% year-on-year but minus 8.5% quarter-on-quarter due to lower retirement benefit provisioning. Non-employee costs, plus 17.3% year-on-year. Technology expenses, approximately 11% of total OPEX, H1 FY26, showing consistent investment in digital platforms.